Got one. What's up, jabronis? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well out there today, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. This one's gonna be pretty simple and laid back today, guys. My beautiful wife, Ashley, and I recently got a chance to take a trip to one of our favorite camping and fishing locations in the state of Oklahoma, the Blue River. We spent a night out there. We were able to get the grandparents to watch the kids for the night so we can enjoy it all to ourselves. We got to eat some delicious food at Scotty's Blue River One Stop, and of course, I got to do a little bit of fishing. Now, I'll be honest with you, I was more focused on spending time with my wife on this trip than I was filming a YouTube video. But I did get some pretty decent footage fishing the river in my old kayak, my old Pelican paddle kayak. We caught some fish, and Ashley decided to join me on the water, being pulled around by a small raft that we have. I tied her up to the kayak and just kind of toted her along with me. So it was a really good time, and we actually ended up catching a couple of decent fish. So I figured I would share the footage with you today of me and my wife just kind of hanging out and fishing at one of our favorite spots. I don't want to waste any more time on the intro, guys. Let's just get straight to some of the footage.
Okay. Shit. I'm in the sun.
Wait a minute. I left my hat in the car.
Damn it. Hello. I was saying, good thing about where we parked Steve is we're close enough that we can see from the water where we parked.
Oh. We had a bite. Yeah.
Why do I always see dragonflies in pairs? They're always mid-doing it. What's up, camera? How you doing?
Ooh.
Good?
We had a bite. Fish on. Oh, he got off. That was a good bite. frog is what got him biting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either that or it's like a bite window.
It's a what?
Either that or it's like a bite window, like they weren't ready to eat until now.
Oh, maybe.
You doing good back there, honey?
Yep. Turned my book on.
Okay.
I heard you say that they were biting the frog.
Yeah, I couldn't get them to bite until I put the frog on, and they just got I got 2 bites pretty quick. What?
They've been jumping all around the street for a while.
Well, see if one of them wants to jump out of lure. A little closer here. Got one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Whew.
Good, we didn't waste the gas to get here.
Gosh.
He swallowed the frog.
Oh, there we go. Finally, first fish. Good one too. Well, thanks for the heads up. Okay, I remember this spot.
Huh?
I remember this area.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a good swimming spot right over there.
These are not the rapids that people drive over, right?
I took my kayak over those rapids coming from the other way.
No, I meant it's not the bridge. where we
No,
went.
no, not yet.
I think I remember this.
Fish on.
Yay! Oh, it's so tiny! How did I get the frog? It's as big as the frog.
Determined. Very, very determined. He got it perfectly right on the rear end.
That's so funny. That's what you get, my friend. You can't eat too big for your birthday.
Hey, I like fish like that because you know what that means?
Yeah.
That means they're going to be a 10-pounder one day.
Okay, I get it. Dinky little teenager.
It's a good attitude. It's a good attitude. Yeah, the closer it gets to dark, the more action we're getting on the frog. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So we should.
Because the frogs are coming out more.
Yeah. Top water does better very beginning of the day and very end of the day, typically.
So we come out in the morning. We try the same thing. Should we do that?
Oh yeah, I'll be definitely starting off with a frog in the morning. Pretty much from like May until the end of October, I'm throwing a frog a lot. Oklahoma has a long frogging season, which is nice. Man, we can go all the way down to those falls fishing and then fish back up the other way. Well, until it starts to get dark, we'll see.
Yeah.
Whoa! Fish! Fish way up in the branch. Holy smokes. That might have been a giant. Hold
It's
on.
only 6:30, so
Yeah.
we should have.
Oh man, that could have been a really good fish. Fish on. Oh gosh.
Oh,
You saw that?
yeah.
We
That
got-
was just rude.
He got all up in that branch before I could get him in. He was in a perfect spot too. I
Yeah.
looked at the spot and was like, there's a fish there. Yep. Big doggy. Look down if you can.
That was very, very close.
Got one. Battleship. Boy. Whew. Guys, this is not, I don't miss this very much at all. I miss my pedal drive. It's a pain in the ass. All right, jabronis, so as you saw, it was a fairly decent evening of fishing, and Ashley and I had planned to get up and do it all again the next morning before we had to go home, but we incurred some issues. I guess at some point when I was pulling the kayak back up onto land, I busted a hole in it, and it started taking on water pretty quick after we got on the river. So we had to pivot and change our plans. And what we ended up doing was we did get the chance to fish a little bit in the morning, but I was fishing out of my grandfather's old Fishmaster fishing tube. Fishmaster tubes were made here in Oklahoma City, and they are pretty much like the start of the tube fishing craze. Like, it was all centered around how good their tubes were. Obviously, tube technology and design has changed a lot over the last, I don't know, 30, 40, maybe 50 years. But this tube that was my grandfather's has still held up and stood the test of time. And even though it was a lot different than getting in the kayak, I actually had a lot of fun just floating around in the tube, my wife in the raft, and doing some fishing. And I even caught some pretty nice fish out of that tube. I definitely think that in the future, I'm gonna try and do a video doing some tube fishing. It's just during this trip, I obviously wasn't planning on the kayak getting a hole busted in it. So I didn't really know how to rig a camera to the tube and, you know, be able to keep everything safe. So that's something we're gonna work on in the future, and we'll definitely be trying to do a little bit of tube fishing here on the channel. With all that being said, it was a really, really great trip. We had an absolute blast, and I'm glad that we did get a little bit of footage that I could share with all of you. Hopefully we'll be doing some more traveling in the next year or so, because I gotta tell you, it felt really nice to get out of the city and go to one of my happy places here in the state of Oklahoma. And I definitely want to get back again very soon. All right, jabronis, it's time to wrap this one up. If you stuck around till the very end, thank you so much for doing so. I really appreciate you. I hope you will go the extra mile and smash that like button. Maybe drop a comment down below and let me know what you thought of today's adventure. I will see all of you in the next one. And remember, if it ain't Joe, it's gotta go. Angler out.